Hello everyone, my name is Devaraj Kanyanan. We are from Group 2, are going to present our group assignment 2 today. Let's see the introduction. Rail joints are critical connections between rail segments that ensure the continuity and integrity of railway tracks. Wedging is a widely adopted method to join all rail ends, providing strength, durability, and smooth transitions that reduce vibrations and wear. The process enhances passenger comfort, decreases maintenance costs, and increases operational safety. The wiring of rail joints must meet stringent mechanical and structural requirements, especially due to the high loads and dynamic forces involved in railway operations.
Hello, my name is Mama Aimanzul Hakim bin Razali, metric number 80210085. In this video, I will talk about 2.0, which is types of welding methods mainly used for rail joints. Okay, the first one is thermic welding. Thermic welding is a chemical reaction-based process where aluminum powder react with iron oxide to produce molten steel. The molten metal is poured into a mold placed around the gap between two rail ends. This is the best for on-site repairs and track extension, and the advantages is portable, no need for external power supply, and the limitation or disadvantages is the manual process prone to human error if not done carefully. And the second one is a flash butt welding. This is an automated resistant welding method, which is where rail ends are pressed together while electric current creates heat by flashing, eventually forming a solid joint. This method is best for factory or depot welding mass rail production, and the advantages is strong and uniform welds, minimal human error. The limitation for this process is requires expensive machinery, not practical for remote location. And the third one is gas pressure welding. This method uses oxy-fuel flames to heat the ends of the rails, which are then forged together under pressure. This is best for application where electrical equipment is unavailable. The advantages for this welding is simple equipment suitable for small scale or rural use. The limitation for this welding is slower and less efficient compared to modern methods. And the fourth is enclosed arc welding, which is less common. In this method, electric arc welding is performed in an enclosed chamber to shield the weld from environmental contamination, such as a wind or dust. This is the best for controlled environments, small repair jobs. The advantages for this welding is good for precision repairs and weather protection. The limitation for this welding is not widely used due to slower process and more set up the time.
Now we move on to process of each welding method. The first process of welding method is thermal welding. This is used a chemical reaction to make a molten steel. The step is clean and elegant reels and get 25 mm. Attach them all around the gap. Pour thermal power into the crucible. Lye the mixture to produce molten state. After that, pour molten steel into the mold. And lastly, let it cool, remove mold, and grind smoothly. Next is second type process of each welding method. This is about flash butt welding. This is use electric current and pressure to join rail. The first step is clamp rail ends in the machine. Apply the voltage to create flashing spark. Increase pressure to join the rail ends, and lastly trim and grind the wheel smoothly. The number three type of process of welding is gas pressure welding. This is use gas flame and pressure to join rail ends. The step first is heat rail ends with the gas flame. After that, apply pressure to join them. Lastly, let it cool and grind the joint. The lifestyle process of each welding method is enclosed arc welding. This is used arc welding in the closed area. The steps is the first one. Align and clamp the rail ends. Cover the joint with a metal hood. Choose a welding rod. Start out welding inside the hood. Welding in the several layer. Lastly, let it cool, remove the slack, and grind smooth. That's all for me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amirul Idham Bezaidi and my metric number is AD 2096. So I will explain about 4.0, which is advantage and disadvantage of each method. So what we can see in the table, there are three welding method, which is first is thermite welding, second is flash butt welding, and lastly is the gas pressure welding. So we can see the advantage and disadvantage. For thermite welding, they are portable, cost-effective, suitable for on-site repair, while the disadvantage is brittle joints, slower cooling time, and manual process. And the second one is flash butt welding, which is the advantage is the welding is high quality, minimal defects, and automated process. And the disadvantage is requires large equipment, costly, limited to depots or workshops. And the last welding method is gas pressure welding, which is the advantage is good joint strength and also simple setup. But there are disadvantage, which is the time consuming and not suitable for high volume welding.
Now we move to the method used for testing welded rail joints. The quality of rail welds is verified through several non-destructive testing (NDT) and visual inspection techniques. The first one is ultrasonic testing (UT). It is used to detect internal flaws or cracks. It commonly used in railway application. The second one is magnetic particle inspection (MPI). MPI is used to identify surface and near surface defects. It requires magnetic material like rail steel. The third one is visual inspection. This method checks for surface cracks, underfill, and misalignment. It is the first line inspection before NDT. The fourth one is hardness testing. It measures weld strength and uniformity. The last one is metallurgical testing. For lab analysis, this method is used to examine microstructure of wet metal and heat affected zone (HAZ).
In conclusion, welding of rail joints plays a crucial role in ensuring the safety, performance, and longevity of railway systems. The choice of welding method depends on field conditions, required weld quality, and available equipment. Thermite welding is favored for on-site repair, while flash butt welding is ideal for high-quality, high-volume production. Testing methods, especially ultrasonic testing, are vital to ensure the structural integrity of the welded joints. A proper understanding and execution of welding and inspection methods are essentials for a robust railway infrastructure. Thank you.